How do NLP models uncover hidden patterns in human language? Imagine trying to understand a conversation without knowing the words first. That's what NLP models do. They find the secret connections in language. Natural language processing models analyze huge amounts of text data to spot patterns. They use statistical methods and neural networks to understand how words relate to each other. Early models, like n-gram models, predicted a word based on the previous one or two words. For example, they could tell that "good morning" is a common phrase because those words often appear together. More advanced models, such as Hidden Markov models, introduce the idea of hidden states. These states representing things like parts of speech, nouns, verbs, adjectives, that aren't directly visible but influence the sequence. These models look at the probabilities of moving from one state to another and how likely certain words are in each state. This helps them recognize patterns like noun phrases or verb forms. Today's models mainly relying on deep learning and neural networks, especially transformer architectures. These models process language in layers, starting with individual words and building up to understanding entire sentences. The lower layers focus on words and their properties, while the middle layers analyze phrase structures and syntax. The higher layers combine everything to grasp the overall meaning and context of a sentence. Transformers like the one behind ChatGPT use attention mechanisms. This means they weigh the importance of each word in relation to others, whether before or after. This helps the model understand context better, making responses more relevant and coherent. When trained on massive datasets, these models learn subtle associations between words and concepts. They discover how words tend to co-occur, dependencies in sentence structure, and even implied meanings. But it's important to remember that these patterns can also reflect biases from the training data, which raises ethical questions about fairness. These models are used in many ways. ChatGPT generates human-like responses by recognizing language patterns. Image generation tools like DALL-E and Midjourney interpret text prompts to create images, relying on language understanding. Productivity tools use NLP to summarize texts, find keywords, analyze sentiment, and generate content automatically. Understanding how NLP models find hidden patterns helps us develop smarter, more natural AI systems. It's about making machines better at understanding and working with human language, all while being mindful of the ethical side of things.